everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Priya Vikram. In today's video, I'm going to do unboxing of piano. Yes, you heard it right. This is I show you. Piano is inside this box. Can you believe? Yes, this is a portable piano. My daughter recently joined piano class, and after joining she kept on asking for piano. And I checked for the piano's price. It was around starting from $3,000 something. I felt it is expensive for the very beginner. I really want to observe her capacity, and I want to really observe her interest towards the piano. After that only I'm okay to invest in pianos. But still, as a parent, we are supposed to provide some basic thing for them to learn. So I was checking for other options, and I came across this travelclef.com, who sells this flexi piano. Yes, this flexi piano is $99, and this is not sponsored video, guys. Yes, this is 100% my own purchase. When I was searching for the other options, I found this. I went through the details, so I found it satisfied. That is the reason I just ordered. And this piano, I received it in 3 days. And one special thing is, this company is inside Singapore, so I can trust and buy, because if any issues, then I can just go there directly and check also. That's the one main point. I placed an order. I placed an order last week Thursday, if I'm not wrong, and I received it today, Monday. Yes, so I thought let me show you all, so that if any of you looking for the piano options, and definitely you can give a try. Let me read out few points about this piano. What are all the items inside this box? A 61 key rolled up piano, 40 minutes step-by-step video tutorial to help you learn to play on the flexi piano, user manual, one number of USB cable, one number of power adapter. This instrument can also run on 4 numbers of AAA batteries. That's good. Product specifications also. Range 61 key C3 to C8, over 100 variations of tone and instruments, drum rhythms and 45 demo songs, LED numerical display, volume and tempo controls, mode selection key, recording, loop and playback function, demo songs available, single finger chord and multi-finger chord modes, sustain and vibrato function, supports MIDI out function, 3.5 mm audio auxiliary in, 3.5 mm earphone and speaker output, power saving function. The instrument will power off automatically once there is no operation for 3 minutes. Run on 4 AAA batteries or on 5-volt power adapter. Okay, these are all the product specifications. I don't have any idea about the piano and how to play, but my daughter has some basic knowledge, I guess. Okay, so let's together unbox this Travel Clef piano, which is this. here you go, the complete look of this piano. It's really beautiful and very compact. It's lightweight, which you can just roll it and fix it in a box as I showed you. I don't know how to play piano, but when I see this I just feel like playing. MIDI output, headphone and line in, and this is the power hole, and here's the battery compartments. So this is the one, and here you see all the, let me switch it off, and here you see the options. So you can select. Okay, let me switch it off, and how to fold it. Fold it in this way. That's it. And here is the cover. Rachel, give me the box. You have here the USB cable and the power cord. You can keep this inside. And that's it. You can carry it anywhere. It's not at all heavy. It's very lightweight. If you are traveling and you want to carry your own piano, you can carry this. That's it. That's all for this video. I hope this video was useful for you and you like this video. If so, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next interesting video. Till then, bye from Priya. Stay happy. Bye bye.